esteemed guests, parents, family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Kusuzampo, and on behalf of Timpu Primary School, a warm welcome to our annual school concert. We are delighted to see all of you here this afternoon to share the joy and excitement of our students' musical journey. Last year, we performed our first Zonka play, Jumit Kindin, and this year we're thrilled to take you on a new adventure as we present Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. At TPS, we believe that a wholesome education is learning through exploring and nurturing young talent. These musical showcases lie at the core of our educational approach. It's heaps of fun for everyone, of course, but its cross-curricular benefits mean it's a great learning experience too. These yearly musical presentations stand as a pillar of our endeavor to instill a lifelong passion for performing arts and to create enduring memories for our students. This afternoon, we present to you the world of Willy Wonka, brimming with magic, wonder, and the limitless possibilities of imagination. Our students have poured their hearts and souls into their performances, and we can't wait to transport you to the world of pure imagination. But our journey today isn't just about Willy Wonka, it's about the heartwarming story of Charlie Bucket, a young boy from humble beginnings who, against all odds, embarks on a magical adventure within the walls of Wonka's factory. Charlie's story teaches us about the power of kindness, perseverance, and the joy of sharing life's sweetest moments. His journey intertwined with Willy Wonka's enchanting world is a testament to the belief that dreams can come true even in the most extraordinary ways. Before we start the program, I would like to make an important announcement, even though I had sent a newsletter earlier. TPS will be introducing the Bhutan Baccalaureate curriculum next year in a phased manner, and we will fully be integrated by the second term. We are working closely with Druk Gelpo's Institute, who will be assisting us in this program. This exciting transition will shape the future of our students' school, aligning with our commitment to a well-rounded education and the pursuit of happiness in learning. Just as Charlie's golden ticket changed his life, the new curriculum will hold the promise of a brighter future for our students. And I also want to take a moment to express my deep gratitude to the incredible team of teachers who have made this production possible. Their dedication, creativity, and unwavering support have brought this production to life. A heartfelt thank you goes to Sir Clint, our director, who has guided us students with passion and expertise. I also want to recognize Madam Julie and Sir Dave for their remarkable work with the Oompa Loompas. Madam Pamo, Madam Annalie, and Leila, and the prop team have worked tirelessly to craft all these magical props that you see this afternoon. A special shout out also goes to our junior team of teachers who have put together these amazing dances. We all know it's not easy working with our littlest performers, but their dedication and patience have truly paid off. Also a big thank you to Gebu's parents for helping us to record this musical this afternoon, sorry. So sit back, give your child patience and encouragement, and expect the unexpected. Thank you for your support.